If you've been waiting for the crypto bull run since 2022, your resilience is quite admirable. There is a secret seasoned investors have grasped and new FOMO crypto entrants do not seem to understand. They know that volatility ruled the crypto world, but prices will eventually spike. 2024 came with a million expectations, and one of them is relief from the cold bear season. So even in the Cardano ecosystem, it is time to take profits. Back in January, in a video from the crypto-based YouTube channel Cheeky Crypto, the host underscores Cardano's approach, which separates it from its contenders, especially its reliance on academic rigor and research-driven development. Dropping out his reasons for being bullish on Cardano, the host highlighted the blockchain's core use cases, and he started by defining Cardano as a proof-of-stake blockchain platform developed using a methodical, evidence-driven approach, firmly anchored in the principles of scientific research and academic thought. From the host's perspective, the Cardano development team aims to restore trust in the global economic system. This involves creating technologies that foster secure, transparent, and sustainable international business practices. Diving deeper into the video, the Cheeky Crypto host disclosed that aside from advanced technology, the platform is also about making a real-world impact, especially in developing regions. This has been Cardano founders' vision so far. Also, the host added that the platform has initiated projects to provide financial services to the world's unbanked population, which is estimated to be about 1.7 billion people. Cardano's partnership with World Mobile in Africa is an example of such a project. The host noted, "They are working with projects like World Mobile to connect more people to the world, as well as, in my opinion, create new economies and change many people's lives." The Cheeky Crypto host also pointed out Cardano's contributions to the decentralized application sector. With a keen focus on security and scalability, Cardano is creating a more stable environment for dApps. Speaking about the blockchain's functionality, the host identified it as a third-generation cryptocurrency, addressing common challenges faced by Layer 1 blockchain adoption. He said, "The issue covers many blockchain concerns, including topics like scalability, interoperability, sustainability, and security." So Cardano seeks to solve these issues through the development of design principles and engineering best practices. Concluding the use cases, the host highlighted that makes him bullish on Cardano. He mentioned that initially, the blockchain could process only a limited number of transactions per second. The team, developed by Hydra, a Layer 2 scaling solution, employed state channels for off-chain transaction processing to overcome this. Hydra's introduction indeed marks a notable leap, enabling Cardano to theoretically handle over 1 million transactions per second, enhancing the network's capacity dramatically. According to the host, these use cases are why Cardano could be one of the frontrunners in the crypto sector in the future. Can you see the reason why Cardano's fundamentals are very crucial? With this, the upcoming bull season seems closer than ever. Moreover, in a week marked by significant technological strides, ADA has surged by an impressive 16.5%, reaching a peak of 20% in value. This price surge propelled ADA to 70 cents, consolidating its position as the 8th largest digital asset by market capitalization, which now stands at a formidable $24.45 billion. The surge in ADA's price was not an isolated event, but rather a reflection of substantial progress witnessed across the Cardano ecosystem. Major developments in core technology, smart contracts, scaling solutions, and governance initiatives have set the stage for ADA's remarkable ascent. This is what we've been trying to say so far. So let's give you a rundown of how things are going in the ecosystem. Scaling solutions received a boost as the Hydra team resolved critical bugs, optimized fee estimation mechanisms, and implemented transaction metadata enhancements. In the same vein, the Mithril team introduced a new distribution with critical updates, including improved stake distribution support and bug fixes. On the governance front, the SanchoNet team launched a patch release to address compatibility issues and facilitate wallet upgrades. In addition, Project Catalyst contributed to its momentum by onboarding 300 approved projects, emphasizing community-led accountability and transparency. These are solid achievements, hence a major upcoming boom. Therefore, as ADA continues to attract attention and investment, the Cardano ecosystem appears poised for further growth and advancement in the burgeoning cryptocurrency landscape. Furthermore, a certain crypto exchange predicted Cardano ADA. According to crypto exchange Changelly, Cardano is poised to continue this price growth and break over $1, $10, and $100 in the coming years and decades. Changelly agrees that Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap with a cap of over $23.5 billion. Although ADA has since retraced some of its gains and is now trading below 77 cents at the time, it ended February with a 35% gain amidst a wider inflow of money into the crypto market. Current fundamentals have prompted experts to forecast a continued price surge in March. This is what Changelly is saying. ADA will continue on this price growth to make its steadfast breakout above 70 cents and end the month at a maximum of 75 cents. Notably, analysts at the exchange also looked at the future price points for ADA, presenting very bullish prices. In his prediction, the exchange noted that ADA would break over $10 in 2030. This would mean a 1,400% growth from its current price level. Looking further into the future, Changelly expects this price growth to continue into the next decade, allowing ADA to eventually break over $165 by 2040 and end the year at around $600. Well, these predictions are not surprising. Cardano has had its fair share of ups and downs in the past few years. Recently, the blockchain network saw a 90% jump in creation of new wallet addresses, indicating increased network activity and interest in the network. However, the blockchain has also been subjected to negative remarks, with multiple reports hinting that Cardano's network activity has been nothing but fabrications. Even a recent report termed ADA as a dead coin. Regardless of these negative reports, some holders and experts remain optimistic. For ADA to cross over $10 and $100 per coin, mainstream adoption needs to happen. As for the crypto industry, which is spearheaded by Bitcoin, it has to become more mainstream. Cardano is poised to benefit from greater adoption as a result. While $165 per ADA sounds overly optimistic, for now, if Cardano can achieve its ambitious goals, gain mainstream interest and adoption, and attract institutional investment from traditional investors, that price target may not be so unrealistic after all. This is not impossible, as ADA has delivered over 3,000% profit for its holders in the past. Cardano is not the only coin that is getting impressive predictions either. Bitcoin is equally enjoying the moment. February was undoubtedly an amazing month for Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrency going on a 39% surge to cross the $60,000 point. Notably, price history has shown that this is the second most profitable February in the history of Bitcoin, and the most profitable February in 11 years. Many market players have anticipated this price surge to continue throughout 2024 as the next Bitcoin halving approaches. So according to an analysis from trading expert Peter Brandt, the price of Bitcoin is set to skyrocket to $400,000 after the next halving. Yes, the Bitcoin halving is next in line, and we can't wait to have it on board. Bitcoin halvings, which slash the mining reward for miners into two, are known to trigger massive bull runs before and after they are completed. The pre-halving bull run seems to have repeated itself, as Bitcoin has jumped over multiple resistance levels since the beginning of January, and is now nearing its all-time high of $69,000, which it reached in November of 2021. Brandt's analysis is mainly based on gains after past halvings as a percentage of gains before halvings. As a result, the analyst projected past price behavior into the future after April's halving is completed. Furthermore, Brandt's analysis highlighted three different scenarios that occurred after the last three halvings. After the first halving in 2012, Bitcoin went on a 5x gain as a percentage of its pre-halving gains. If the same were to happen after 2024's halving, Bitcoin could reach $275,000 per coin. 2016's halving saw Bitcoin go on an 8x gain of its pre-halving gains. If Bitcoin were to go on a similar 8x route, it could reach as high as $400,000 before the next market phase. Then 2020. 2020's halving produced a modest 2x return of its pre-halving gains. A 2x repeat applied to Bitcoin's price of $50,000 would see the crypto reaching $100,000 at the end of the current market phase. This time, how far can Bitcoin go? Following the trend, if history repeats itself in the case of Cardano, ADA might continue in its range till April 2024 before breaking out and then surging to a target price of $7.91. The timing of Cardano's breakout coincides with the Bitcoin halving, which many estimate will occur in April of 2024. Our hopes are hanging on the halving though. Bitcoin's halving could have a significant impact on the crypto market. Since historical data suggests that the Bitcoin halving tends to trigger a bullish market cycle as it reduces the supply of new Bitcoins, then there are chances for Cardano and other cryptocurrencies to spike. It should be noted, however, that past performance does not guarantee future outcomes. But still, there is hope. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.